Hello there, it's Brendan from Burnside Property Maintenance, and today I'm going to talk to you about these ProFit hole saws. I've received a little sample from Talk, and they've asked me to give you a little demonstration, so we can see exactly how it performs. I also have the standard hole saw, roughly the same size. It's actually slightly bigger, but we'll see how they perform together. So I'll do the old traditional method first. Let's see how it goes. So, old off-cut apply here. So. And as you can see there, there's more burning its way through than actually cutting. So need to get the plug out, which as anyone knows is an absolute nuisance with these. Oh. Yeah, slowly but surely working it out, and it's yeah. And you find using these, you spend 90% of your time just trying to get the plug out. Well, let's leave that there for the moment, because otherwise you'll have a 10-minute video. Now let's try the plug ProFit. Now the ProFit, slide it on, and that goes on very, very easily. You just got a quick release button there. So let's see how it performs. It's straight away so much quicker, so much quicker. Just get the plug out, just pull that down, off it comes. Likewise to change your cutter, off it goes. That's very impressive, actually. Very impressive. It's so much quicker. But that is going to save a lot of time. Okay, thank you for listening.